welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Jay. If you're not part of Cooking with Jay or J Squad, please subscribe below. Click the little red subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notification every time I upload a new video. Today, I am doing a smoothie, a chocolate fruit smoothie that is going to be amazing. Okay, as I go along, I will show you what you're going to put in here as I put it in there. So what you're going to need is 8 to 12 ounces of water. So I got 12 ounces here. You can't really see it, but it's there. So trust me on that. Then what you're going to need is your fruit. I'm using frozen fruit. Okay? You want to put the things that are the heaviest at the bottom and the things at the top that are the lightest. So you just dump in a little bit. You can measure it with a measuring cup and it's 1 cup, or you can just measure it in. Like just throw it in. Now the reason why you use so much water, because some people say you can use like 6 to 8 ounces. I use 12 because when you mix everything, you don't want it to be chunky. You want it to be nice and smooth and creamy, which everyone wants. Now I'm going to add some vanilla extract. If you can see that, it says pure vanilla extract. Just for flavor. Just a little bit. There we go. And the main ingredients of this, as you can tell that I haven't stuck in, chocolate protein powder. This is the chocolate protein powder I use. It's called Pure Vita Labs. It is great. It is amazing. I just love it. Now you want to try to get a full scoop. Sometimes you might, sometimes you won't. Just dump that in. Et voila. And now you just turn it on and mix it. That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, very simple, very easy. Only 3 ingredients. Well, 4 if you're considering the water, but water is a given. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, or milk, but you still got to put 12 ounces there because you want it to be nice and smooth, as you can see here. It's nice and smooth and it doesn't look all chunky or chalky or nasty or clumpy, because clumpiness is very gross and disgusting. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make the yummiest protein shake that you can make at home after, well, protein shake, protein smoothie, whatever you want to call it, after the gym, because it is great. It's got so many grams of protein. It's got like 16 grams of protein in there, and it's amazing. It tastes amazing. You can't get any better than that with chocolate and fruit, even though you might think it might not mix very well, but it does mix very well, especially when you add the vanilla extract, which makes it even taste better, and the flavors pop out like there's no tomorrow. So if you're not part of Jay's crew, well, Jay's squad or Cooking with Jay, please subscribe below. Click the little red subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notification every time I upload a video. That is 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So please watch my videos according to my time. That's if you're in a different time zone, find out what time it would be where you live. Also, hit that thumbs up, squash it, smash it, high five it, do whatever you have to do, smack on it. Okay, also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias that you have, because I know most of you have Facebook, so please do that. And also, comment below if there's anything you want to see me make or do or create or how to do. Let me know. I will do that for you. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you so much for being part of Jay's Squad and Cooking with Jay. And thank you for subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos with everyone you know. And the most important thing, the most important thing to remember is be happy.